Hi everyone, Cole here. Since I'm going to be gone for 4 months at least, I thought I would take a video showcasing just what I'm going to be taking on my trip. So missing from this video are my flashlight, my money belt, my GoPro harness, and my swim trunks. Anyway, so here's the spread. So this is it. 10 days worth of clothes, electronics, and everyday essentials. My bag is an Osprey Aether 70, so it's a big 70-liter travel pack with a detachable pack at the top there. For hiking boots, I've got a pair of Salomon Quest 4 D2s. They're a really lightweight all-purpose hiking boot, so not too heavy, but still give you a good amount of support. This mess is a wire cage harness that goes around the pack and that I can use to secure it to whatever bed I'm sleeping in. Over here I've got a raincoat for all the rough weather that I'm probably going to run into when I hit Southeast Asia, because we're going there in the tail end of their wet season, I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs of underwear and socks, so that's a week's worth of laundry plus a couple extras in case something gets wet or we go a little bit too long between finding laundromats. A rolled up quick drying pack towel. So basically this is the only towel I'm going to have with me, and this thing dries in like an hour minimum. It's crazy. 2-liter flexible roll up water bottle. This is an incredibly convenient day bag that rolls up the same as any t-shirt does, so it fits in my pack nicely when I'm not using it. Got packing cubes, an empty one for electronics, and one that's got some medications in it. So that's just stuff like diarrhea, Claritin, cough and cold, things like that, chapstick, etc., etc. Got some travel toothpaste for the airport in case they lose my luggage, because, you know, they do sometimes. Toiletry bag with toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving cream, deodorant, comb, body wash. So I've got an assortment of 3 long sleeve shirts, 3 short sleeve shirts, and 3 tank tops, all rolled up nice and neat there. And then up here I've got a big heavy sweater because we're going to be going to New Zealand and possibly Japan and China, and it will be there in the spring, so it's not like it's going to be super warm there. For electronics, I've got a Surface Pro laptop, which is what I'm going to be doing all my photo editing and videos on. I've got this nice handy adapter here, switches to all the different countries. And I have this really cool hard drive to store all my data on, store pictures, videos, everything cool like that. Pair of flip-flops for the beach and the shower. Pair of pants rolled up, another long sleeve shirt. 2 pairs of shorts. The GoPro I was going to take this video on before I realized it was dead. And my wallet, my passport, my chain, my watch, and a little travel slip for travel documents. So, you know, can't forget any of those, especially the passport. That's a big one. Keeps all your visas in there so you can keep, you know, I don't get held at the borders. And St. Christopher, my folks gave me him to keep me safe on the road, so I figure it's only right that I take him with me when I'm going to the other side of the world. So yeah, that's everything, and hopefully the next video you see will be of myself and my sister Alex somewhere in Australia. See you later.